Hey everyone, how is it going? Want to hide files on Windows 11 so you don't appear in normal folder? Today I'll show you a few simple ways to hide your files and folder. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's try the easiest method. Right click in the file or folder you want to hide. Just simply go for the folder. I just want to hide this folder over here. For that, I want to click on the right mouse button and simply go for properties section. And here I'm going to select hide and click on apply and click on OK. Now, as you can see, your file is rightly hide. How you can get them? You can simply click on the see more option and click on options. Click on view and check show hidden files, folder and drivers and click on apply and click OK. And here, as you can see, here is a hidden folder is rightly showing. Very simple, right? It's a very simple way to hide files and folder on Windows 11. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.